And tonight we continue to follow a bizarre story that we brought you earlier this week.
Dozens of Edmond water heaters in the same neighborhood burst around the same time. And after last night's water board meeting, some fear they're going to be out a lot more money for years to come.
News 4's Natalie Clydesdale has the update. Natalie?
Well, while no official action was taken last night, an attorney representing Logan County Rural Water District 1 said he's recommending that the district isn't responsible for anything that happens after water hits the meter. That would mean the customers are on the hook for repairing any damage this caused.
That is flipping absurd.
I'm justifiably mad about this.
Logan County homeowners were feeling heated at last night's water board meeting.
Yeah, they were pretty upset last night.
Earlier this week, dozens of homes in and around the Cascada Falls neighborhood all had water heaters break around the same time. The meeting kicked off with an attorney representing Logan County Rural Water District 1 explaining that the burst happened while an operator was working on a water main break.
During that repair, the operator made a decision to basically keep the water running from another source, from a nearby well. Pursuant to that, basically there was a surge in pressure that likely caused some damage.
The lawyer also said because of a law called the Governmental Torts Claims Act, he's recommending that the district is not liable for the damage this caused.
The district's only going to be responsible for things that happen before that water meter. Anything after the water meter is the responsibility of the customer.
And added that residents should have a pressure-reducing valve on their water heater, even though he says that's not required in the district's bylaws. It's a recommendation that didn't sit well with homeowners. One says he's already spent thousands of dollars on repairs.
I'm 12K into this, and I feel a pressure spike happened from y'all's actions, and it screwed up my house.
Brandon Rondon owns an insurance company based in Edmond. He says even if people's damage is covered by insurance, it's still likely to cost them now and for years to come.
It's probably a $1,000 deductible. They're one of the most highest rated claims, so their rates are going to skyrocket for the next 5 years.
Well, we reached out to the Logan County Rural Water District 1 today, who said they have nothing else to add about the situation.